Today we're going to be taking you on a tour of the Darius model at Archer Park by Richmond American Homes. This community is going to be in Mountain's Edge. You're really close to Exploration Park. It's a really great location for young kids, right down the street, walking distance to the park. When you first come in, you're going to have 2 bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bathroom to the right. And going back down the entry hallway, you're going to have this flex space where it could be a den, could be a formal dining room. Then we get into the great room. Really nice layout. Plenty of windows for natural light. Nice large kitchen. It's going to have a walk-in pantry. And of course, the builders like to show the model homes with plenty of upgrades. Nice sized dining area. And many of the builders also have standing inventory homes where the designers have already chosen the upgrades. You can come in, pick one of those, and they usually offer special financing on those models as well. Nice large primary suite. Good sized walk-in closet. They did the upgraded shower, which is huge. This floor plan is a total of 2,830 square feet. Does have a 3-car garage as well. And you come down to the next hallway, you're going to have a nice sized laundry room, of course optional sink and cabinets, powder room, and then a next gen suite with its own little kitchenette. Nice sized living space for the 1-bedroom next gen suite. Does have its own door to the exterior so they wouldn't have to come in the main house. There is a small walk-in closet and then a nice sized bathroom with a walk-in shower as well. So if you're looking for a single story in Mountain's Edge, these are starting at $762,950 at the moment. It's always subject to change, but give us a call, 702-480-9137, or go to our website, lvhomesgroup.com.